Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 comments past question. Question number 21 says the insurance policy taken to cover dishonesty of accounts personnel of an organization is dash. The insurance policy taken to cover dishonesty of accounts personnel of an organization is dash. When we talk of insurance, an insurance is a company that where a bearer is secure and at the end of the day he or she is compensated. Option A, employer of liability. B, fidelity guarantee. Option C, life endowment. Option D, marine insurance. The correct option here is option B, fidelity guarantee. When we talk of fidelity guarantee is an insurance policy that a bearer purchases from an insurance company, particularly by an employer of a company in respect of his employee. So this happen in a case if the employee engage in any form of dishonest acts or bankrupt, then this fidelity guarantee will be used to cover up for the loss. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.